Ninth one.
Okay. Ninth one. Okay, all right. Question number 9. Let R be an equivalence relation on finite set A having n elements. Then number of ordered pairs in R. The number of ordered pairs in R. Okay. Here on finite set A, let's say n of A is number of elements in A. Let's take number of elements in A is m elements are there. So here R be the equivalence relation on finite set A having n elements. So n of A is, sorry, this is n elements. So here this is n elements, number of elements in A. So the number of ordered pairs in R. So here already we discussed n elements are there. These n elements we are taking, let's say this taking n elements 1, 2, 3, so on up to n elements are there. This equivalence relation, equivalence relation means what? R equal to minimum we must have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, so on up to n. We must have minimum number of elements we must have is n elements we must have. If more than n.
Sir, greater than or equal to n.
Very good. Very good. Correct. Greater than or equal to n. Minimum number of elements is n. Minimum number of elements is n. Okay. So your answers are given. So less than n, greater than or equal to n. Less than n means not possible. Greater than or equal to n. Less than or equal to n and none. So greater than or equal to n is the answer. 10th one yesterday only I explained. Only reflexive. Next, any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, up to 20. Anybody has any doubts?
Sir, SOR means what, sir?
Okay, 13th question. SOR,
Yes, sir.
13th question. Okay, what is this 13th question? Okay, that's the question now here. Okay, now we'll explain here what is SOR. 13th question I am going to explain here. Here, composite relation I am explaining first. Composite relation. Composite relation. What is this composite relation? Combination of two relations. Let's say here R is a relation and R1 is a relation, R2 is a relation. So combination of two relations is like this. R1 circle R2. R1 circle O, it's not O, R1 circle R2 of X equal to R1 of R2 of X. This is combination of two circles. That means first you have to apply R2, then you have to apply R1, you have to apply. So what does it mean? What does it mean? I am going to explain on the board. Yeah, that is.
Sir, option A.
Yeah. Here, let's say A, B, C. 3 sets are there. In A set, 1, 2, 3 is there. B set, A, B is there. In C set, P, Q, R is there. So now here R1 is a relation from A to B. R1 is a relation from A to B defined like this. R2 is a relation from B to C defined like this. Okay. So now what does it mean? So now R2 circle R1. What is R2? So here very clearly R1 is what? Very clearly R1 is very clearly 1 comma B, 2 comma A. Its domain is 1, 2, range is AB. R2 is very clearly R2 is A comma P, B comma R. So therefore R1 circle R2 is what? This is a relation. This is a relation. Now what is this relation? R1, R2 circle R1. What is this relation? If R1 is the relation from A to B, R2 is relation from B to C, R1, R2 cross, R2, R2 circle R1 is a relation from A to C. R2 circle R1 is relation from A to C. How do you write this? So here this is R2 circle R1. How do you write? 1 to B, B to R. So this is 1 to B, this is B to R. So you write 1 comma R. Hope you understand. R1 is what? 1 to B. Then R2 is what? B to R. So therefore 1 to R, that you should write in R2 circle R1, you should write that. So the next one, comma. Then 2 to A. This is first to 2 to A. From A to P, therefore 2 to P you should write. Now 3 to nothing is there, so you leave it. So this is what is R2 circle R1. Now R2 circle R1, R2 circle R1, whole inverse. Inverse means, you know, I told you already, reverse you should write R comma 1, P comma 2. This is reverse. It's reverse. I told you already this one. So now what I will do is this one, R1 inverse I am doing. Inverse means what? R1 inverse, you know. B comma 1, A comma 2. R1 inverse, you know. R2 inverse. R2 inverse is what here? P comma A and R comma B. Now what I should write here? Now I will do like this. Here I will do like this. I will do R2, this R1 inverse, circle R2 inverse. That means first R2 we should take. That is P comma A comma 2. That means P comma 2. P comma A reverse. This is reverse. P to A to 2. Those are P to 2. Then next R2B, B to 1. R2B, B to 1. This is reverse. Inverse means reverse. R comma 1. So therefore what we can say, R2 circle R1 whole inverse we got as same as what? R1 inverse circle R2 inverse. This is what we got. So this is the formula.
Option A, sir.
Yes. So this is the formula. What is that? F circle G whole inverse equal to G inverse circle F inverse. Okay, this is if two functions are there, this you will get. So this you take screenshot and study, understand. Okay, all right. So please take screenshot. Yeah.
1 minute.
Yes. Yes. Hope you finished. Screenshot is over. Now let's go to Blackboard. Yeah, let's go to this one. All right. So that means now in this case, I explained that where is that question in this case? R is here already I told you what does it mean. R is subset of A cross B means I told you already. R is relation from A to B. S is relation from B to C. Then A to C one relation exists. A to C, that is S circle R. You have to take this one. S circle R is a relation. S circle R whole inverse is R inverse circle S inverse. So I told that's the reason you take screenshot and study that. So that is what is 13. So that is composite relation. This is called composite relation. Explain. All right. So then we'll go to 14. This one also I explained. A is less than B. R is relation. Okay. What is that relation here? Relation is less than. Less than relation I explained. Less than from A to B. Here. Defined as A comma B belongs to R. Okay, when A is less than B, then R circle R inverse is first of all we should write R, then we should write R inverse, then we should write we should do R circle R inverse. So I'll explain you this one. First remember 1 2 3 4 1 3 5. 1 2 3 4 1 3 5. Okay. All right. So A has 1, 2, 3, 4. B has 1, 3, 5. R is a relation. R is a relation. How it is A comma B such that it is defined like this. A less than B, like this it is defined. So now R equal to what do I get? So 1, 1 I won't get. 1, 3 I get. Understand, I think. A to B na, A 1, 1 won't come. 1, 3 will come. A less than B na. A you have to take from this, B you have to take from this. Okay, 1, 3. Next 1, 5 will come. Next 2, 3 will come. 2, 5 will come. Next 3, 5 will come. 4, 5 will come. This is what is R. R inverse. What is R inverse? You know, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. This is what is R inverse. Now what is asking? Is asking us to find R circle R inverse. R circle R inverse is asking us. R circle R inverse means what? R inverse first you should apply R inverse. R inverse is what? First is there, you have to apply first. R inverse is what? 3, 1, 1, 3. This is 3 comma 3. 5, 1, 1, 5. So this is 5 comma 5. So this is 3 comma 3. This is 5 comma 5. This is 5 comma 5. This is also 5 comma 5. So, but you need not write 5 comma 5 these many times. Okay.
Sir,
So,
once explain R circle R minus 1.
yeah, I'll explain. Okay, here question you see. Question is this. RB relation defined as less than from A to B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is 1, 3, 5. I have taken that one. A comma B belongs to R when A is less than B. Less than B, this one is less than, it is defined. R inverse R circle R inverse is what is question. R circle R inverse is what is the question. R circle R inverse is what is the question. So now what I wrote is A R is defined like this, A comma B such that A less than B. So A you have to take from first set A, B you have to take because it is relation from A to B. So 1 1 won't come because 1 less than 1 won't satisfy. 1 3 will come, 1 5 will come. Like that I wrote 2 3 2 5 3 5 4 5. This is R is a relation. R inverse means simply it's reverse. What is asking? R circle R inverse is asking. R circle R inverse means first you have to take R inverse. R inverse is this. So R inverse, 3 to 1. This is 3 to 1 and 1 to 3. This meaning is this. 3 to 1, 1 to 3. Therefore, A to B, B to C, A, C should write like this. Already previous one I explained. No? Already explained. This is 1 to B, B to R. So 1 to B, B to R. So 1 to R. Similarly, here also like that only. R to circle R1. R to circle R1 means R2 circle R1 means what? First you should apply R1. Na? R1 is what? 1 to B. Then B to R. Like that. First you should apply R1. See here also. Similarly, I am applying same. R inverse I am applying. First you should apply R inverse. R inverse what? 3 to 1. Then 1 to 3. That is 3 to 3. 3 image is 1. 1 image is 3. So 3 image is 3. Alright. Similarly, 5 image is 1. 1 image is 5. So 5 to 5. 3 to then 2. 3, 3, 3. 5 to 5. This also 5, 5. This also 5, 5. So finally what you got is 3 comma 3 and 5 comma 5. Only 2 elements are there. So R circle R inverse has only 2 elements. So hoping that you understood. So R circle R has only. So here R circle R inverse is asking question. R circle R inverse is. So 3 3 5 5. Where is it? Okay, this is so many are there. 3 3 5 5 is there. 3 5 5 3 is there. Oh, okay. We'll see once again. Huh. Okay. Yeah. We'll see now. Yeah. Some of the elements we missed off. That's what we have to see. Here 3 1 is there, 1 3 is there, 3 1 is there, 1 5 is there. I missed off this element. 3 1 1 3 we wrote this 3 3, but 3 1 1 5 is there, na? That means what we should write? This also we should write. Now what we should write? 3 comma 5 also there, na? So therefore diagram if you draw, then it will be easy actually. What is that? 3 1 is there, 1 3 is there, but 3 1 is there, 1 5 is there. So 3 5 is also you should write 3 5. Next 3 1 is there, that's all with 1. So with 5 5 1 is there, 1 5 5 5 you should write. With 1 anything else is nothing else. 3 2 is there, 2 3 is there. See 3 2 2 3. So 3 3 we write. 3 2 2 5 is there. So therefore we should write also 3 5 you should write. So 3 5 already we wrote, no? Okay. Again. Okay, next 3 2. Next 5 2 5 2 and 2 3. See 5 2 with 2 2 3 is there, 2 5 is there. So 5 3 also we should write. 5 3 we should write, and then 5 5 we already wrote. And next 5 3 3 5 5 5. So 5 3 say 3, with 3 only 1 is there, with 4 only 1 is there.
Sir, we can't catch video.
What? 1? What happened?
We can't catch screen, sir.
Screenshot you want to take? One catch means what, right? All right. So the next what? Next what? Right? What is next? What is the next question? So the number of relations on A, we already discussed number of relations on A. From A to A, from A to A, na? A to A means what? N of A cross A to A. So A to A means what? N into N. N square elements will be there. So if we have N square elements, so 2 to the power of N square subsets all are relations. All right, next. Next what? A relation from A, finite set A having M elements to should be having the number of relations from A to B, 2 to the power of M and A. Already we discussed that one. Next. So you did not do these questions. No? I'm just finding which question to tell. So please complete by tomorrow. Okay. Which question? Let's discuss a few other questions also. Reflex symmetric, some other question. Okay, 49 I'll explain one question. Okay, 49 we'll discuss. So 49 I'm discussing. So this model we'll discuss first. Then we can see the other. So what is that? R is relation over set n cross n. Previously, R is relation on n. N means what? N to n. On n means what? On n means n to n. N to n means what? Subset of n cross n. But here what is said? Over the set n cross n. It is relation on n cross n. On n cross n means what? N cross n to n cross n. This point first you should understand. So here n cross n, what will be the elements of n cross n? Ordered pairs. Okay, 48 also, it's okay. 48 also, all right, we'll discuss 48 also after this. So this is C, R be the relation over the set n cross n. Previously what we discussed is R is a relation on n, that means n to n, but it is what? N cross n to n cross n. N cross n means it will have subset. N cross n means it will have ordered pairs. Ordered pairs to ordered pairs. Previously n to n means what? Natural numbers to natural numbers. But here ordered pairs to ordered pairs. So defined as A comma B related to C comma D if and only if here A plus D equal to B plus C is the question. So that one we'll discuss. Okay. Then we'll go to next page. So here what is given? R is relation on n cross n. R is relation on n cross n. Previously, what is given? R is relation on n. On n means what? N to n. So on n cross n. On n cross n means what? On n cross n means n cross n to n cross n. So that's first point. Defined as, how it is defined? In n cross n, what will be there? Ordered pair. That the ordered pair A comma B related to C comma D. That implies what should happen? A plus D equal to B plus C should happen. So that's what is given in the question. So you see A plus D equal to B plus C is given. Then R is reflexive or symmetric or transitive. That's what is the question. So now this is what. So but here if at all you see what does it mean is R equal to, I am writing usual form. Ordered pair, in that first element is ordered pair. First element you have taken from set A. This is set A. Two, this is set B. Set A has ordered pair A comma B. Set B also has ordered pair, that is C comma D. So this A comma B, this is see, in ordered pair one more ordered pair has come. In ordered pair one more ordered pair has come. So when this one I can write this one as this when this ordered pair related to this ordered pair in the first set related to this ordered pair in the second set, when this relation is true, what is that relation? I can write like this: A minus B equal to C minus D. I can write very simply. This one only I converted B, I brought D. So that means A comma B is here, C comma D is here. So this is what is the relation now. So first reflexive. How do you check reflexive? Reflexive you check like this. So here for every A comma B belongs to n cross n. Previously we have to take for every A belongs to n, A comma A should belong to R. Now how to take? For every A comma belongs to n cross n, because we are set is now set A is here n cross n. A comma A comma B, answer A comma B. This is here A. Here n belongs to n means here A comma B. A comma B should related to A comma B. Is it true or not? How do we know? If you apply this relation. This relation. A comma B means A minus B. C comma D means C minus D. C minus D, A minus B. So this is true or not true. Therefore it is reflexive. 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 So the next, symmetric. How do you understand whether it is symmetric or not? So like this. If at all A comma B related to C comma D. Previously what came here? If A related to B, then what should happen? Then B should relate to A. This is the condition. Now instead of A you have ordered pair. If A related to A comma B related to C comma D, then what should happen? Then C comma D should be related to A comma B should happen. So whether it happens or not, we'll see. A comma B related to C comma D means A minus B equal to C minus D. That implies what I can write? C minus D equal to A minus B I can write. That means what? C comma D related to A comma B. This means C comma D related to A comma. This means that only. When A comma belongs to C comma D means A minus B equal to C minus D. C minus D means what? C comma D related to A comma B. So therefore, what happened now? This is true or not? Yes. If A comma B related to C comma D, what we proved? C comma D related to A comma B, we proved. If you see, actually it is very simple if you understand transitive. Transitive. What is transitive meaning? If A comma B related to C comma D and C comma D related to E comma F, we should take E comma F, then what should happen? Then A comma B should relate to E comma F. So you take screenshot. So because it is going to go. Now you take screenshot for this. Please take fast screenshot. It's going to go. Okay, hope everybody has taken screenshot. The next, this one also take screenshot. Here this meaning is what? A minus B equal to C minus D. And this means what? This related to means what? C minus D equal to E minus F. What you can say? A minus B equal to C minus D, C minus D equal to E minus F. This A minus B equal to E minus F. What does it mean? A comma B related to E comma F. So that means A comma B A comma B. Previously what? A comma B belongs to R.